Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on a Chrysler 300M. This is a 2002. This is going to be a really similar process for all the years around this, and a really similar process for the similar models like the Sebring and the Town and Country. Now, this car does not have a cabin air filter. I know that comes up a lot. Most cars do, but some don't. And the ones that don't typically have like a mesh, like a mesh that prevents any like leaves and things like that from getting into the the air system inside the car. But for the standard air filter, let's get a closer look here and I'll show you guys how to replace it. All right, guys, we're on the passenger side of the car. There's two clips right here. Be really careful. These are old and brittle and prone to break. You're just going to push them in and it disconnects them. And like on this side, this one had already gotten broken at some point. The plastic had. And then once these two clips are undone, you can just lift up and then pull this right out. And then here's our air filter here. Let's take a look at it. This one's new, it's clean, it's not in bad shape, so we're going to go ahead and put it back in. But if it was dirty, this is where you dispose of your old one and get your new one and put it in. So let's go ahead and insert this back in here, like so. All right, guys, when we're getting ready to reinstall the cover here, you can see there are 3 holes on the back there and then 3 little bump outs on the cover. Those bump outs need to go into the holes first. So let me go ahead and get the camera back on the tripod here and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're going to put these 3 bump outs into the 3 holes there, and then we're going to push down. I don't know if this is just because this is old or not, but I noticed these clips don't like automatically go forward when you set this down. So I don't know if you're gonna have to do this on yours, but on mine I do have to put a little bit of pressure here and push forward on the clip to get it to sink into place. And be careful, you know, these are old and brittle. You can see that this one over here is already broke, but we can do the same thing over here. I think I can get this one to, there it goes, clip into place. So yeah, okay. All right, guys, it was as simple as that. Not too hard to do and something that you should check and change regularly. A clean air filter keeps your car running good and gets you better gas mileage. So always keep an eye on it and make sure that it's clean. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.